Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video I'm going to walk you through how to detach audio from video in Shotcut. So if you want to detach video or detach audio from video, here's a simple step on how to do that. So make sure you add videos out to your playlist. So if you want to add videos to your playlist, you can just go back to the channel and check the videos on how to add video to your playlist or how to import video to your playlist. So now these two videos have been added to the timeline, so I want to detach the audio from this video. So to do that, you have to right click on any of the video that you want to detach, then scroll down and click on detach audio, and the audio for this particular video has been extracted. So currently there's no audio in this video, it's just ordinary video plain as animation, and here's the audio for this video. And if you want to do the same for the other video, just right click on it, then click on detach audio, and also the audio for this video has been extracted. Then now have the two audio in this video being detached out of this video, and that is a simple guide or a simple step on how to detach the audio from a video. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.